I'm Mike Vesta. Welcome to my channel. I'm a software engineer and I've had the privilege of working with a lot of cutting-edge tech over the years. I'm excited to share my experience and knowledge with a wider audience as we usher in a new era in computing. With a day one reservation of the Vision Pro, I'll be kicking off this channel with an in-depth review of Apple's first headset. Whether you call it virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, or spatial computing, cool hardware isn't enough, so a big focus of this channel will be on content creation. From making photorealistic digital twins of products to city-scale scanning with drones, I'll cover the hardware and software needed to build 3D models at scale. I'll explain the tools that you can use to make your own games, apps, and experiences for this exciting new medium. In addition to traditional 4K video, there will also be some content filmed in VR 180 using this special lens from Canon. Unlike 3D TVs from a decade ago, this gives you a sense of being there when viewed from inside a headset. There are not a lot of videos like this out there yet, so I'd like to get your feedback to figure out if this new format is worth the extra effort. I'd also like to hear from you about what other topics I should cover. For example, Tesla's starting to roll out a big update to full self-driving, and I can provide aerial and immersive in-car views to show a unique perspective of how it performs. I've also been an early adopter of a lot of interesting devices over the years that never quite made it. Perhaps some retrospectives of what could have been may be of interest. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what you're most excited to see in 2024 and beyond.